Hi! In this video, we will now look at supply after our previous video which was on demand. So for supply, what it means is that a seller has a goal to make as much profit in the market as possible. So for example, you are a seller means you're a business, so you want to make the most profit. So because you want to make the most profit, but you face certain constraints, you have to have a fixed quantity supplied at a particular price. So if the firm's quantity supply will be the amount of good the producer chooses to produce at a certain price. And the market one is just the total, accounting for all the firms in the market. So by the law of supply, it means that as the price of the good rises, then the quantity of the good supplied will rise. So what does it mean? When a seller is able to charge now a higher price and it will now become more profitable, then the seller will choose to do so as he will earn more profits. So it means that the price and quantity supply are positively related. You can again illustrate it using what is known as the supply schedule and the supply curve. For the supply schedule, it is just the list of the quantities supplied at a given various price points. And for the supply curve, you are just shifting this table to graphical form where you show the relationship between the price of a good and the quantity supplied. So we see why is it sloping upwards. It is due to the law of supply. Likewise, as the same as demand, there will be changes to the quantity supplied which will be influenced by prices. So to move along the supply curve, you need to change your price. A rise in the price will cause a rightwards movement along, so you move up the curve. A decrease in the price, then you move down the curve. And also, apart from prices, since there are other factors that affect the whole entire market supply, this will be known as the non-price determinants of supply. And changes to these non-price determinants will shift the entire supply curve, like how we saw in the demand curve. So when you change a non-price determinant, your entire supply curve will shift. Examples of non-price determinant of supply, one of them will of course be your price of your inputs. What does it mean? So maybe this good takes metal, water and wood to create. Then these resources that cost money to buy, this raw material or wages or anything, these are your input price. Then if it increases, it will lead to a higher cost to produce certain thing, leading to a lower profit margin. So this will reduce the firm's willingness to produce large quantity at a given price. Hence, the entire supply will decrease, leading the supply curve to shift to the left. Another reason to shift is the profitability of autonomous good. For example, now you have good A and good B competing, and good B can do the same thing as good A. If the price of good B falls, then more people, you want to shift your focus to producing good A, because good B now will become less profitable, so you want to produce more of good A. Hence, the supply of good A will increase. Another way is the expectation of future prices. So for this one, it affects both demand and supply, as if future prices you intending to increase, then you want to have lesser goods now so that in the future you can price it higher. Technology will mean that you have just cost saving technology, which will also increase the supply. And that's all for the non-price determinants of supply. Hope you have enjoyed it, and I hope that it is understandable. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.